Hey guys, so I'm super excited to give you guys first access before you can even buy it to my new holiday collection, and it's something that that's been taking me a long time to finish, and I'm still finishing the display images, but I finished the project itself, so I wanted to let my members have first access to download it before it's available for sale. And it's something really exciting and I think will be super useful for the holiday season. So basically it is illustrated lettering, illustrated fonts for Christmas, for the holidays, and in a lot of different styles, and we have them in script and in sans serif. So there's 13 different styles actually, and if you look here, you can see a little sample of all the different styles, and I've turned them into basically an illustrated font. And you don't use it with your font program, you use it with whatever design program you're using to create your words for your designs and headlines and things like that for the holidays, monograms and what have you. And I've just made some really cool things to go along with it, so I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's going to be really useful because you can use it in whatever program you want. And there's a bunch of ornaments that go with it and a bunch of accents, so I'm going to show you a few things. So here we're seeing samples of the script styles, and there's 13 different script styles. And here we've got the sans serif block style, and those are little thumbnails of them. And here I'm going to go through and cycle through some examples of what you can make with these designs. You know, you can make holiday artwork, create monograms, create cards. I've also created these frames, borders for different sizes for your cards and whatnot, illustrated with the accents. You can use them to create monograms for products for sale, what have you, and decorate those monograms with the different ornaments, different card designs, and you can also like layer the fonts like I have here, which gives it a really cool vibe. Here's another sample of me layering the fonts because they have the same path, the same style. You can layer them on top of each other and create really cool holiday designs. Here's another example of that. Create some overlays for photography or for cards. Here's another sample of a layered. Here is the gold font and some of the fun painted ornaments that I've created to go along with the designs. Here's an example of kind of a minimalist sort of overlay that I created to go along with a card design. We've got a monogram, and here's more of an elaborate maximalist sort of design using two different styles of letters layered and one of the borders. You know, you can use it for blog graphics, Instagram things. And here's an example of just show you how many different styles you can use. This is the same letter, and you can use the toolkit that I've created to make all different styles. So it's not just in one style. You can recolor it, you know, have different backgrounds, what have you, accent it in different ways. Here's another script sample using one of the fonts. And it looks a little different. It's not all, you know, red and green. It's, you can put it with different kind of photography. Use it for blog posts. Here's a little bag design that I did. Got some of the snowflake ornaments. And, you know, you could use it for products for sale, different kind of fun things. That's layering the font. So all different styles. They're very versatile, so it doesn't matter if you do something bold or soft, what have you. Here's a spruce style and a little delicate sort of baby design. And there we go. So that is a preview of the products, and I'm going to have other videos where I do a product tour and show you how to use everything. And the good thing is that you can use it in whatever software you want.